advantage is yours. Zone A lost. Double down. The enemy has closed the gap. Shut the enemy down. Only 5 minutes left. That shut them down. Double down. That shut them down. 3 opponents down. 2 for 1. What can stop you if you fight? Double down. Double down. Not this time. Fight again whenever you want. You gained the lead. Strength in numbers, Guardian. Who says warlocks are better with books than with guns? It was me. Rage is
Yo, what is going on YouTube? Year 1 Blink here, back with another new video. Today's video, we've been playing the Dawning event, and we got the Cold Front submachine gun. Sweep in like the force of nature, leave destruction in your wake. Alright, so let's get into this gun's perks. Okay, so first we have an intrinsic perk, aggressive frame, high damage, high recoil. We're using fluted barrel, which greatly increases handling speed, slightly increases stability. You can go with the top one, but it's going to make your stats go lower, so I would go with the bottom one, fluted barrel. Then next we have drop mag. Magazine drops on reload, wasting ammunition, but greatly increases reload speed. You can go with extended mag, but it only puts it up to like 3 more bullets. But we use the top one because we have Feeding Frenzy, which increases the reload speed. Kills with this weapon increase reload speed for a short time, so those perks go hand in hand. So basically this weapon's all about like reloading to me, the way I use it. Then we have Vorpal Weapon. Increases damage against bosses, vehicles, and guardians with their super active. So I think you can melt supers easily with this gun. I'm not too sure on that. We have Crucible Tracker. We have some okay impact. Not too bad range. The stability is not good, but we have a masterwork. Handling is really good, and the reload speed is actually pretty good. Plus all those perks combined just make it so much better. And it has 750 rounds per minute, and then a magazine of 26. We're using a counterbalance stock, and then we're using a masterwork, which has 10 stability. So yeah, that's our gun we're using, the Cold Front, and we're pairing it with the Graviton Lance, which rips holes in space and time. Black hole. You guys already know it has a catalyst with the hidden hand, and yeah, that's pretty much what we're doing with the Astrocyte Verse and Nova Warp. So with this gun, I like being aggressive. I like blinking at people and just rushing them with this gun. But with shotguns, I feel like it doesn't kill them quite fast enough. But if you can like have good movement and slide around and use your SMG really good, that is, you can actually get some good plays on people. And I'm pairing it with the Graviton Lance, like I said, which gives you the range for people who want to sit back. Then you switch to your SMG and finish whoever's left off. I honestly like this gun better than Recluse too, because I feel like it takes more skill and it's more fun to use. It kind of reminds me of like the Antiope from Vanilla Destiny, but I didn't really like the Antiope. I like this one though. I don't know if it has as much range as the Antiope either. And like I said, for our super, we're using Nova Warp, so people will just start running away and you're just gonna like send them to another dimension. There's no getting away, honestly. They kind of jit me on some medals right there, honestly. The Graviton Lance just goes so good with it because I'm literally outgunning Not Forgottens, Bygones, any pulse rifle. And right here, this guy's gonna pop his super and we're just gonna melt him with that perk Vorpal Weapon. He doesn't stand a chance. Right here, this guy's too far, so we switch to Graviton Lance, take him out. And we're just gonna take this guy out with Graviton Lance too. Easy peasy, lemon squeezy. These guys are trying to both rush me. I take one out and then I get an assist on another one. And I honestly like using Blink with this because it really fits my playstyle, and it brings in the black hole build to just honestly melt anyone who like tries to get me at range. Because see, if I'm using a shotgun with this SMG, I wouldn't be able to do damage to these guys. I would have to just be up close to their face. But if I really need to close the distance with this SMG, take this guy out. I think he's gonna outgun me. This gun is actually really good. You just have to kind of keep your distance if people are like shotgunning. That's kind of its weakness. But if you can catch people off guard like this, you're always gonna get them no matter what. Double play. They're already weak though. Then we're gonna push up on these guys, take out our Graviton Lance because we're kind of too far. Take them out pretty easy. These two guys are over here. Whip out a handheld supernova, take them out. Easy peasy. Play to your strengths. If you see any shotgun warriors just trying to shotgun the whole game, kind of take out the Graviton Lance and hit them from range, and then when they least expect it, take out this gun and just destroy them. And like you've seen right there, using Blink to dodge supers, it's a game changer. I would have been dead if I didn't use Blink right there. Right here, this guy doesn't see what I'm doing. Just go after him. This guy sees me, but he's just gonna get outgunned. Just gotta make the smart plays, and you're gonna definitely wreck. So I feel like this gun is really good for like combos, because you can use your pulse rifle from range. Then you have to switch to your SMG to take out another guy if you need to, if he's close enough, like right there. Take him out. Always have a handheld supernova ready just in case 2 or more people try to rush you. Be ready to melee. Everything Blink. Just combine it all. It's just a good combo for everything. And like I said, just use your combos to your advantage, and you should be able to wreck anyone that tries to mess with you or anything. Disrupt the meta. All those Not Forgottens in Luna's house, and what other guns? Spare Rations, Bygones. All those guns are just busted, but they get wrecked. And right here, like you can see, I am capable of dropping 40 bomb kills with this gun, so it's actually really good for like pubs, you know. I have to try it out in competitive. I haven't tried it out there yet, but I'm pretty sure it's pretty good there. But anyways, hopefully you guys all enjoyed the video. More videos coming soon. youtube.com/year1blink if you want to see more content like this. Make sure you do subscribe, leave a like, and I'll keep making videos like this. Tell me what you guys want to see in the comments below. We mostly make Destiny 2 and Overwatch videos, but if you guys would like to see anything else, just tell me, like I said, in the comments below. We do Pokemon Sword and Shield, we open up Pokemon cards, we play Call of Duty Modern Warfare, Zombies, Crash Bandicoot, Sonic, anything that has to do with video games. Super Mario, Super Smash Bros. We got it all. So if you guys want to see that, subscribe, and have a wonderful day, everyone.